Assalamu alaikum to all. Myself N. Abdul Hakim, second BCom General. My register number is 1913171036 002. I would like to present about economic order quantity. Before going to the topic, I should ask sorry for the presentation because due to this pandemic situation there is no net center to take the printouts because of the situation. So I would like to take this kind of method. Let's go to the topic. I would like to present economic order quantity. I hope it's visible. Meaning of economic order quantity. It is the ideal quantity of inventory to order for a product that aims at minimizing the both carrying cost and the cost of ordering. In other words, EOQ is an order quantity of an inventory that minimizes the both ordering and the carrying costs is known as economic order quantity. In this topic, we have a formula which is EOQ equal to root of 2AB by CS. I hope it's visible. In this formula, A stands for annual consumption or usage, D stands for buying cost per order, C stands for cost per unit. Let's go to the sum. This is a problem. I hope it's visible. I would like to dictate also. Calculate economic order quantity from the following. Annual requirement 1600. Cost of material per unit 40. Cost of placing and receiving one order rupees 50. Annual carrying cost of inventory 10% of inventory value. I hope you understand the question. The main thing in this topic is we have to substitute the answer from the following question. We can only by substituting the answers we can earn marks. In this question, A, the annual consumption stands for 1600 is 1600. Buying cost per order is 50. Cost per unit is 40. The inventory value is 10%. Let's substitute. EOQ equal to root of 2AB by CS is the formula. Let's substitute. Root of 2 into 1600 into 50 divided by 40 into 10% because A equal to 1600, B equal to 50, C equal to 40 and the inventory value is 10%. This is a solution. I hope this also visible. And sorry if not visible. This is the only way to present here. Sorry. By substituting the answers from the question, the answer is finally 200 units. I hope you understand. And again, as sorry to all, if not the presentation is well or you have doubts in this topic. And again, sorry and thank you to all. Assalamu alaikum.